Hi, my name's Natalie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm actually exhausted because I spent the whole day going through every single piece of clothing I own and sorting it and figuring out what I'm going to bring to college. As you can see, there are so many clothes. I'm hoping I didn't overpack. I just have such a hard time discerning what I actually need and what I don't. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything I packed and hopefully provide a little inspiration, and hopefully you don't overpack like I did. Okay, I'm going to be using these bags. They're like dupes of the IKEA bags and they zip. So let's do it. So these are all of the bottoms I'm bringing. I know it looks like a lot, but the pile was a lot bigger before and I got rid of like 6 things. So progress and improvement. Oh my god, so heavy. I'll start with the denim. So for shorts, I have these cider denim shorts and I think they're really cute. And I love that they're in the darker wash. It kind of reminds me of the Japanese denim. And then I have these Free People shorts. And then I'm bringing 2 jean skirts. The first is this American Eagle skirt from Depop. This is for like going out because it's a little bit more low-waisted and shorter. And then I have this skirt from Subdued, and I got it in Ireland and I've been wearing it so much. It's really cute and it goes with so many different outfits. And then I'm bringing 4 pairs of jeans. The first pair I'm bringing are these Motel Rocks low-waisted jeans. And then I'm bringing these and then I'll bring them home for fall break because I think they can make outfits look super elevated. And then I have 2 pairs of new jeans that I bought for college. The first are these Gap high-waisted jeans, and then I'm super excited about this purchase. These are my Agolde jeans, and they're the 90s styles. This is my first pair of Agolde jeans, and I've always wanted to own some. And when I was in Cape Cod, there was a store, and everything was 30% off. So these are usually like $230, and that's how much they are on the website, but I got them for 30% off. So I think it was about $160. It was a really good deal, so I'm super happy. Okay, let's put this all in this bag. All right, now I'll show you the rest of my pants and skirts. I have these work pants to start off. The next pair of pants I have are these Mango capri pants. They're super cute. I actually just got them and I feel like they're great for the transition season. And then I'm super excited to be bringing this skirt. I got it in Madrid and it's actually so fall, but it's so unique and beautiful. And this is like one of my best purchases to date. And I can't wait to be wearing this at school. I also have this skirt from Gap. Okay, I had this skirt and I love it so much. And I've really been like contemplating whether I should bring it or not. The only thing is it's so bulky and I feel like I'd only wear it once. So maybe I should save it for the spring where I'll get like so many more uses out of it. And then I have these sailor shorts and I usually wear them in my summer wardrobe, but I think they could be super flattering with a like fall sweater. And then I have like 6 pairs of mini skirts. First I have this black skirt. It's just like important to bring a mini black skirt to college. You're gonna get so much use out of it. And I also have this other mini black skirt, but it's different because it has this like mesh detail and then it has like this on the side, and I think it could look super cute with some black boots. And then I have this polka dot skirt, and then I have this white skirt from Cider. I also have this long Zara skirt and I think it's gonna be super cute to go to class in. It's also just super classy, so I'm very excited to wear this. And the last bottoms I have is this cream and brown striped skirt. But there's actually shorts underneath, which is great. Okay, I'm definitely bringing a lot of tops, so let me show you all of them. I'm gonna bring 5 long sleeve tops, and then fall break, I'll come back and then get so many more because it's gonna be cold. The first one I have is Aritzia olive green top. And then I have this Hollister like sweater baby doll top. This Aritzia pink top. This is from Urban Outfitters and it's pretty unique. Lastly, I just have this basic gray brandy top. Now I'm gonna show you like kind of my tank tops. Some of this is out of order though, so some like categories that I may have shown may come up again. So I have this Motel Rocks halter top. This is a really cute going out top. It's this Victoria's Secret top and it's super flattering. Then I have this Skims kind of lace top. This top is from Pull&Bear and it's really nice. I got it in Spain. Black Aritzia top. I have this blue Brittany Melville tank top. This is my favorite tank top that I own. It looks so good and it's super comfy. And then I have this Ralph Lauren white tank top, but it has this interesting like detail right here. So I think it makes it really unique. Oh, this top is funny. This top my boyfriend gave me, and it's different dog breeds. I don't really think I'd wear it as an outfit, but I want to wear it as a sleeve shirt. And it's really funny to me, so I definitely want to bring it. And then I have this Ralph Lauren Polo Bear top, Brandy Melville Madrid top, Trinity College top that I got in Dublin, and I love normal people, so I definitely want to bring this. And then I have this Japanese jersey that I got in Spain from like a vendor who like sells things on like the side of the street. And it's super unique, so I feel like it could be fun to bring to like spice up my outfits. Green Aritzia top. Oh my god, I love this top. This is from Brandy Melville. I think I should iron it before I go, so I'm going to put this in an ironing section. But it's super nice, and it has this tie in the back, and it goes with so many bottoms. Oh, I love this top. This I got off Depop. I think it needs a little bit of an iron too, but it's super flattering, and it has this gorgeous beaded detail. And this top I got in Spain. This white top, and it's kind of like ruffly here. I have a basic plain black tank top, and then I have this black tank top, but I also have this black tank top from Brandy Melville, and I'm wondering if I need two. I love the way this one looks on me, and this one is new. So maybe I'll bring both, and then if there's not enough room when I move in, I'll get rid of one. I just have a basic white tank top from Brandy. This top is really cute. It's from Princess Polly, and it's super flattering. And then this top I got in Madrid, and I love the way it looks on me. I feel really confident. The only downside is that there's a small like hole right here, and I guess the hole was in when I bought it because I wore it one day when I came home, and I was like, oh my god, there's a hole. But it's still really cute, and hopefully I can just keep my arms down and nobody will see. And I have this green long sleeve Lily Pulitzer top. This is also a long sleeve top, but it ends kind of like around your elbow, and it's super duper fall. And my sister gave it to me when she went thrifting. And then lastly, I have this red Princess Polly top. It's kind of difficult to see because the straps are a little weird, but it's super cute on. It's my Clover baby. She knows that I'm going, and I'm actually so sad to leave her. Come here, baby. Yep, step right on the Aviator Nation. Oh, she knows. Already, bag number 2. If I can do all of my clothes in 2 bags, I'll be so impressed with myself. And then I could do one more bag just for all of my like shoes and accessories. I'll start with my sweatshirts. So fall, very vanilla girl. And this is my boyfriend's sweater. An NYU sweater, of course. And then I'm also bringing my Aviator Nation matching set. And I'm bringing 2 more pairs of like sweatpants. The first are my Lululemon sweats. These are honestly just the best. They're so comfortable, but the shape is so cute. Brandy Melville striped like oat set, and it comes with a matching top. These are all of the dresses I'm bringing. The first is this green and white summer dress. I was like apprehensive about bringing a summer dress, but I think like those first few days of like welcome week, it could be really cute to like meet people in this. So that's why I'm bringing it. And then I have this Ralph Lauren sweater dress, and then I have this stunning dress that I got in Ireland at a vintage market for $25, and I wore it once already and I felt so beautiful in it, so I can't wait to wear it throughout the semester. And it's this perfect burgundy color, which is perfect for fall. I'm hoping to rush to sorority this fall, so I think this could be a really cute option for one of my dresses. It's super unique, and it's a Kate Spade dress, but it kind of looks like Breakfast at Tiffany's too. And then I have this sweater dress that I'm so excited to wear. It's also a great transition piece. And then I'm bringing just a black dress. And then I'm super excited about this dress. It's a black linen dress, and it's again a perfect transition piece. DKNY dress that I got from Goodwill for $6. Polka dot dress from Zara, and I think it's gonna be super fun for rush, but also unique. Okay, these are all of my workout clothes. Yoga pants, Lulu leggings. The last pair of leggings I'm bringing are from Skims. And it's just like mauve color, and I have the matching tank top, and I love matching sets. Full workout set that I got from TikTok shop. I think I want to move into campus on this because it's the exact purple color. 1 pair of Lulu shorts, Lulu NYU collab, and it says violets right here. and it's a tennis dress. I'm running out of room in this bag. I might need one more bag. Hopefully I can fit in the rest of like my sweaters and clothes into these 2 bags if I like kind of stuff it a bit. But these are the pajamas I'm bringing. Brandy Melville shorts that I got in Madrid. And then I have the iconic top. And it actually makes, like, this top is cute to wear as an outfit, but it makes the cutest pajama set. Pajama top with the matching PJ shorts, sleep shorts that can also be worn like under dresses, sweat shorts, brandy checkered shorts that can be worn for sleep but also can be worn as like a cute outfit. Longer pajama pants from Anthropologie, roller rabbits. I wanted to bring 2 roller rabbits, but I was like, I'm gonna do laundry once a week and I can just wear these, and then I can bring my other roller rabbits once I come home for fall break. I'm gonna bring 2 bathing suits. And I'm bringing this bag because it's really good to put your wet bathing suits in if you need to. The first is this Love Shack fancy one piece. I think it's good to have a one piece, you know, in case I'm like going in like the school pool. If any swimming excursions happen, I have this super cute subdued bathing suit. And okay, it's like all over the place, but it's this really cute like navy blue and light pink color, and it's really flattering. So these are all of my sweaters, but I know I can't bring these all, so I'm gonna go through these one by one. I just love sweaters and cardigans so much. The first thing I have is this gray cardigan. Really nice style, so I do think I'm gonna bring this. Then I also have this like beige cardigan from Zara. Maybe I bring it for the fall, like when I come back on October break, because it is a little warmer and I can get away with this cardigan until then. So I'm gonna bring this white Land's End cardigan because I think it's always good to have a white cardigan. And then I have this red chunky cardigan from Gap. I don't know, I'm a big fan of this and I don't really see myself being able to part ways. Red vest, which I think is super cute, and if I style it right, so I also want to bring that, but I feel like I'm already still bringing a lot. I have 2 like flannel shirts. One is from Ralph Lauren and one is from Anthropologie, I think. I don't need 2 Ralph Lauren cream sweaters. So this one is like a cashmere sweater, and then this one is more like cable knit, but it has these gold buttons on the side. I'm gonna bring this one because I know it goes with my sailor shorts, and this one, because it's cashmere, is probably a little heavier, and I'm gonna bring it after fall break. These are the last 3 articles of clothing that I'm going to bring. First is my trench coat, Ralph Lauren fall sweater, and I think this could be so cute to pair with my new Agolde jeans. This Madewell denim jacket. And for socks and underwear, I'm gonna try to bring 14 to 21 pairs, just because obviously I'm gonna try to do laundry every week, but you know, that might not happen, and I'd rather become over-prepared than under-prepared on that. Okay, these are my 2 humongous bags. Lastly, I'm going to show you some of the accessories I'm bringing and all the shoes I'm bringing. The shoes I'm bringing are behind me, and I know it's a lot, but I just love shoes so much, and this isn't even like half of the shoes in my closet. So I ordered this like shoe rack. I'll put it right here. It's coming soon, and it's basically I'm going to stack all my shoes on top of each other, either in my closet or like underneath my bed, and I think that will help a lot. So first I'm bringing my red Pumas, green Say shoes, Adidas Sambas, 1 pair of sneakers, like boat shoes, black Steve Madden heels, white Coach shoes, blue Sam Edelman flats, Steve Madden brown boots, black leather boots. And then lastly, I'll show you the accessories I'm bringing and the bags I'm going to bring. Red belt, this brown belt. This is from Princess Polly. This is from Amazon. And then I have this like really cool belt that you can wear with your like dresses or even your jeans. And this is from this place called 12th Tribe. Cheetah print glasses, Ray-Bans that I got on Amazon for only like $70. Yankees hat from Aritzia. Hats are like really challenging for me because sometimes they just make my face look so bad, but this one is really flattering. And then I'm bringing 2 headbands, this red headband and this white headband, just so I can have my Blair Waldorf moment. All of the bags I'm going to bring. I genuinely love my bags so much. Like, I spend so much time like picking them out. None of them are like overly expensive, of course. I'm not at that stage of my life, but one day when I'm very, very rich, I'll have very beautiful bags, but that day is not today. I have this vintage DKNY bag that my aunt gave me, and it's super unique and I really like it. It's a Coach bag that I got thrifting in Denver, and it's super unique. I've never seen this style before, and I put this little charm from Iceland on it. And then this bag is from Zara. I bought it, and then I saw Hannah from Love Island has it, so it's like, ooh, I made a good choice. This bag is from Ralph Lauren, but I actually got it from the kids section because it was a lot cheaper and it's still super cute and flattering. My hack from shopping at Ralph Lauren, because they have the cutest stuff, it can just get so expensive sometimes, is either to do it secondhand or go to the kids section because they have great steals. And then I'm going to bring my blue Coach bag as like my bigger bag, and this might be a cute rush bag that's also a little bit more unique just because a lot of my bags are a bit smaller. Yellow bag, and it's kind of like a duffel bag, but it works as a shoulder bag, and I don't know, I feel very cute in it and it's very unique. I got it in Spain. I have this cheetah print bag, and this bag I love so much. It literally stores everything, and if I'm ever like going away for a weekend trip, I can literally just put everything I own in here and it will all fit. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything I'm bringing for my first like 6 weeks of college. Get excited for college NYU content because I'm so excited to like make all these videos and edit them and just like film everything.